Hi! This is another button prototype tutorial for Unreal Engine. It covers state change events, specifically the maximum propagation setting from the iterative state component and the propagation cost setting from the observe react component. Let's begin. Start with 5 simple buttons. Each button has the default on and off states. Chain the buttons together. For each button, go to Observe React component. Make the button listen to itself by adding it to the Listen to array. Enable reactions. Add a state to action translation rule. The default rule is enough for now. It reads, on any state change fired by the buttons from the Listen to array, forward the action that triggered the state change to all the buttons from the Send action to array. Add the next button, in this case button B, to the Send actions to array. Repeat this process to the next 3 buttons. In the end you should have, button A, listens to button A, and syncs with button B. Button B, listens to button B, and syncs with button C. Button C, listens to button C, and syncs with button D. Button D, listens to button D, and syncs with button E. The last button does not need changing, as he does not forward actions to any button. Alternatively, you can use the Listen to Owner button, from the default section, to quickly add the Observe React component owner to the Listen to array. Hit play. Each button forwards the action to the button next to it. Select button A. In the state component, change maximum propagation to 1. Now, button A will only send actions to its direct listeners. The listeners cannot send the action further. Change maximum propagation to 3. Press play. The event now reaches button D. You can see each event is starting with a propagation life. Every time it is resend, the event's life decreases. The default event life is 10. Now, select button B. In Observe React component, react to state changes, advanced settings, set propagation cost to 0. The event from button A will now reach button E, because button B is not contributing to event degradation. A cost of 0 is usually used when creating display monitors, or feedback actors. Propagation cost can be used to control event flow as well. If you set propagation cost to 2, the events from button A will not go further than button C. And, if you set it to a bigger value, like 99, no event will pass further. This was event propagation, a setting for avoiding infinite event loops, and control basic events flow in button prototype actors. Follow the other tutorials in the series, to see how you can use this feature in some concrete examples.